How to post pictures on Pinterest. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can post pictures on Pinterest. So to do that, first of all, open the Pinterest application on your mobile device. And once you've done that, make sure you are logged into your Pinterest account. Now once you're logged into your Pinterest account, as you can see, these are all of the different pins on your Pinterest. So in order to post a photo to your Pinterest, all you have to do is simply tap on the plus icon on the bottom side of the screen. After that, it will basically provide you with three different options: idea, pin, and a board. So these right over here are not called photos or pictures on Pinterest. Instead, they are called pins. So what you are doing by adding picture is simply adding pins to Pinterest. So simply tap on the option pin. After that, you'll have to allow Pinterest to access photos and videos on your device. So tap on the option allow. Now select a random photo which you want to add to your Pinterest, and once you've done that, tap on the option next. After that, you'll have to give your pin a title. So let us simply name it example. After that, scroll down and then you'll have to give a description about your pin. So let us simply give demo. And once you've done that, tap on the option next on the top right corner of your screen. After that, you'll have to select a board where your pin will go. So remember, in order to add photos or pins to Pinterest, you must select a public board so that other people can see. If you choose a private board, only the people whom you select to be on that board, or only you, will be able to see that pin. So I'll select this board right over here, which is a public board, and once you've done that, tap on the board, and there you have it. That is basically how you post a picture on Pinterest. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.